Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. You can see amazing and worldwide best ideas for gardening in at this channel. Guys, today in this video we can show top tips for an eco-friendly garden. Today in this my video, guys, please new viewers watch till the full my videos and enjoy the video. If you don't forget subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So guys, let's move to our topic. So guys, please watch till the full my video at the end and enjoy my video. In recent years, eco-friendly or green gardening has emerged as a growing trend among garden enthusiasts and environmentalists. By embracing sustainable practice, gardeners can create beautiful, thriving outdoor space while minimizing their impact on the plant. Green gardening offers a perfect solution if you want to reduce your environmental footprint. Here's how you can make your garden both gorgeous and green. Benefits of green gardening. Adopting green gardening practice not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also contributes to the healthier environment. Key benefits include, guys, reduce carbon footprint by using fewer chemicals, conserving water, and incorporating native plants. You can significantly lower your garden's environmental impact. Guys, improve soil health. Natural fertilizers and no dig techniques enhance soil structure and fertility over time. Support for pollinators and wildlife. Creating habitats for bees, butterflies, and birds helps maintain biodiversity and support local ecosystems. Guys, next option is peat-free compost. Going peat free in a top priority for gardeners according to the Royal Historical Society. The plants turn billions acres of peat bogs store more carbon than the world's forests combined, helping in the fight against climate change. Switching to peat free compost alternatives is easy, and quality compost blends such a new horizon will perform as well as peat. Modern peat free compost contain more sustainable ingredients such as wood fiber, coir, and composted bark. These have been carefully adapted to provide optimum growing conditions. Look out for bags that are clearly labeled peat-free. Westland have a wide range of peat-free compost available for whatever your gardening task. Gardening, guys, next option is saving water is very important for gardening. Saving water conserves Zation is a key aspect of eco-friendly gardening. Incorporate water-saving strategies to maintain a lush garden while reducing water waste. Rainwater harvesting: install water birds to collect and store rainwater for later use in the garden. Drip irrigation: use drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing evaporation and run off. Next is mulching, helps retain soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Guys, our next option is very beautiful and interesting for flowers gardening. Guys, again apologize to me. Please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline, and please watch helpful my video. Let's move to our topic. Create a wildflower area. Wildflowers are a magnet for bees, beneficial insects and butterflies, and you don't need to own a meadow to marvel at their magic. A small patch of soil or a large containers is ideal for introducing nectar rich blooms that will help in the battle against pollinator decline. Depending on your chosen seed mix, you can sow wildflower areas in either spring or autumn. There are blends available to suit different soil types. Transforming a tried lawn area into a wildflower area will increase your garden's biodiversity. It is also the ultimate in low maintenance gardening too. Hundreds of favorite blooms will lure pollinators in their droves. Snowdrops, alliums, foxgloves, hollyhocks, lavender and bodleja are just a handful of bee or butterfly friendly flowers. Look out for the RSHH plants for pollinator logo when choosing plants at garden centers. The secret of success when planting bee friendly pots and borders is to select single flowers as opposite to full double blooms, where insect can easily access nectar and pollen. Ever popular dahlia, bishop of Lindau, is a classic example of a dahlia that bees adore. Next is grow your own. Growing your food is fun and rewarding and can cut food miles to footsteps, which is so much better for the environment. Even in tiny garden pots, grow bags, vegetable growing tables, and raised beds can yield a bumper harvest. Tomatoes, runner beans, potatoes, carrots, and lettuce are easy to grow for beginners. They can be cultivated without the use of pesticides. Their taste is normally superior to shop bought produce, and unlike most supermarket which they do not come warped in single rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Craft your own plants makers using wooden paint sticks and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect craft for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, lily pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display out your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Tori Robinson sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note 1 only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail-free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and teeny tiny accessories. This planter is a fun crop to make these kids. Hang outdoor lighting. Elevate any outdoor gathering with globe staring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. Repurpose shutters, clean lowers old or new against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath. Perch add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting. Placing flowers and veggies together in the same beds does not just save space, it will help boost your yields and keep plants happy by attracting more pollinators. To create contrast with terracotta pots, transform in expensive galvanized steel washtubs into planters. This long low oval vision with daring drain holes pocket in the bottom shows off a basil core. Fill furniture with plants. This clever table worked hard for your yard. Not only is it a neat